Your home is your most valuable investment, and at Plastering Solution Inc., we believe it deserves the ultimate protection. That's why we specialize in a professional 4-coat stucco system, a multi-layered defense designed for beauty and long-term durability. Our precision process starts with a high-grade vapor barrier and wire lath for a moisture-proof foundation. We then apply the scratch coat and brown coat to build structural strength. To ensure a crack-resistant finish, we add a specialized adhesive coat with fiber mesh before finishing with a smooth base, available with or without integrated color. Tired of that outdated look? We can resurface your old front wall stucco with a modern, smooth finish that completely transforms your curb appeal. But we don't just stop at the plaster. We provide a comprehensive exterior painting service, including your vinyl windows, using a professional 2-color scheme. Preparation is where we shine. We scrape and sand all peeling paint, patch imperfections with elastomeric fillers, and prime every surface. We also re-caulk every seam to seal out moisture and drafts. For the final finish, we apply a dedicated primer and 2 full coats of premium Sherwin-Williams paint on the body, trim, and doors. Choose our high-quality Super Paint exterior acrylic, or upgrade to the best in the business. Sherwin-Williams Emerald Rain, refresh for a self-cleaning finish that stays stunning for years. Plastering Solution Inc. Premium quality, unmatched protection.